Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our video update, our COVID video update. My name is Matus, Bosco Yaqui Tribe, Office of Emergency Management. Today we're going to relay a little bit of information. Today's date, August 3rd, 2021. Dr. Renteria is going to give you some information, and Mrs. Norton is going to give you some information on our youth and young adult incentive program. First of all, I would like to just remind everybody about our VaxCast promotion here in Tucson. So our next event is August 5th, noon to 7 p.m., August 12th, noon to 7 p.m., and August 19th, noon to 7 p.m. I'd also like to remind everybody to please be on the lookout for a flyer from Guadalupe with a letter. We have some new dates for you for the VaxCast incentive program. Friday, August 6th from 10 to 7 p.m. Saturday, August 14th from 9 to 6 p.m. Friday, August 20th from 10 to 7 p.m. and Friday, August 27th, 10 to 7 p.m. So please, we look forward to seeing you all out there and getting vaccinated to help keep yourself safe and our community safe. Thank you. Dr. Renteria.
Good afternoon. Buenas tardes, Dr. Renteria, the medical director for the tribe. I just want to take a minute here to just touch on questions regarding the COVID-19 Delta variant. What is that? It's the same virus that has basically changed its coat a bit so that it's harder for the immune system to fight it. What it means is that it can get to you faster, but once it enters your system, it's not any more dangerous than the original variant. But it does get to you faster, so the term that's used for that is contagious, so you can get the infection a little quicker. Now, the important thing is that in the last month or so that has been tracked, about 99.5% of people that are positive with this variant are those that are unvaccinated. But there are some people that are fully vaccinated that have become infected when they're exposed to someone who has this virus who were not vaccinated. For example, there were some cases in California in a hospital, over 200 doctors and nurses who became positive. They were fully vaccinated, but in terms of contact tracing, finding out where it came from, all of them were affected by people who were not vaccinated. So the key thing here is if you're not vaccinated, get vaccinated, because you're the highest risk group for this virus to infect. And if you're young, it's still a big issue because it is causing serious problems in younger people. You'll end up in the hospital. 1 in 5 of those folks less than 35 years old will end up in the ICU. You might be on a ventilator. So it's not insignificant. So get vaccinated. We have our pods every Thursday. And if you have any questions, you can also email me here at the tribe. But the most important thing is for those of you that are not vaccinated, you're the group that's the highest risk. For those people that are vaccinated, it's still a very, very small percentage that are actually getting infected that are fully vaccinated, and it takes close contact. So again, I want to remind you of that. And now because of this variant, what we've done now for employees is we went back to mandate that all employees must wear a mask while at work. We haven't dealt with the community yet, but my recommendation for you, if you're a community member, you should be wearing a mask outside too, because you don't know if you're around someone who might have the variant and they might not even have any symptoms. So for employees, it's mandated that you wear a mask at work all the time. And for those of you that are community members, I highly recommend it that you wear a mask. The peak of this variant we're not there yet. It's still rising, and I think the peak will probably hit here in about 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Good afternoon. My name is Kaitlin, and I'm the youth tasked with the young and youth young adult incentive program. Yeah, so I just wanted to kind of give a shout out to our social media. It's Instagram is _shot_, and our Facebook is Youth and Young Adult Incentive Program. So I ask that you follow us. So when we do push out information, that is where you can find it.
Kid, let me ask you this: What are you trying to accomplish with this program? What do you want to do?
So at the moment, our age group from 12 to 26 is our least vaccinated age group of the tribe's population. So with kids going back to school of the ages of 12 to 18, and then college students, we're worried about them being at a higher risk, being in closer capacities at school. So we want to keep our community safe, so we're hoping that with this incentive program, we can get as many youth vaccinated as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you both for all that good information. So, and thank you all for tuning in to our August 3rd video update, COVID video update. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.